Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here in this question 1 of revision 2, he is asking to draw rhombus, and we know in rhombus all the sides are same, 4 centimeter, and angle ABC, one angle is given 60 degree. Okay, so first of all I will draw sides of 4 centimeter by using scale. So here start from 0 and just 1 minute, I am drawing. I don't have stand, so I am drawing first of all one line of so I have drawn the 4 centimeter length, so right here 4 centimeter. Then one angle is given, so you can write here AB is better. So ABC, so at the point B we have to draw angle 60 degree. So by using protractor I am drawing, this is my right side, so in my right side I will see the upper values. So here 60 degree, so this one, this corner I will keep it here, see, and 60 degree I will see upper value. So here 60 degree is angle, 60 degree angle here, right? I will draw long line and then I will join this one by using scale. See, just 1 minute, I am joining by using scale. See, yani this one is 60 degree angle, so right here 60 degree. Now I need to draw angle here. It is not given, but we know the property in rhombus, because opposite sides are parallel, so sum of these two angles is 180. So it means this angle must be 160. 180 minus 60 means 120. So here I will draw angle of 120. Again this dot I will keep it here at the corner, because this is my left side, left side. So I will see the lower values, 120 here. You can see 120 here. So draw line and then join by using scale. I am joining, just 1 minute, I am joining. Okay, so it means this is now 120 right here. Now because this is 4 centimeter, it means all the sides must be 4 centimeter. So by using the scale I am taking the length of the compass is 4 centimeter. See, from 1 to 4, see here, from 1 to 1, and it will be, let's say I am starting from 2, so this one, the length of this one 4 centimeter, from 2 to 6, yani 4. So why 4? Because every side should be 4 centimeter. In rhombus all the sides are same. See here, now I will keep it here at this corner and I will draw compass. So obviously this will be 4 centimeter, and from the other corner also 4 centimeter, yani same arc. See here, see. So it means these will be 4, 4. Then what I need to join this one. With the scale I am joining these two arcs. See, where arcs are intersecting, this one, and I have joined by using scale. So this is the rhombus. You can write here 4, 4, 4. Now next one is saying 100 degree angle we have to draw, and then compasses we have to draw angle bisector. So first of all I am drawing a line of any length. It is not mentioned that what should be the line size, so you can draw any length. Let's say I have drawn this line. Okay, then you can draw 100 degree angle here or here, anywhere. So let's say I am drawing here on my right hand side corner 100 degree. Again I will keep it here, then 100-degree angle here. So I will see the upper values here. See, draw a small line, then join with the scale. 1 minute, I am joining. I need both hands, so that's why I am keeping mobile on table. Okay, this one 100-degree, right? Then what we have to do, first of all, open it in small size. What should be the size? Any size, but small size. Then keep it here at the intersection here. Keep it here and draw small arc. One minute, I think. So I have to adjust pencil. See. Okay. Keep it here. Then draw small arc. So I have drawn small arc. Then bigger size, any size. So where I have to keep, where these are intersecting. See, where this arc which I have drawn, arc and line intersecting here. So draw one arc in the middle, and from the other corner, see where the arc and which I have drawn intersecting. Draw again. See, these arcs will always intersect. Then with the scale I will join this one. See here, I will join these corners where the arcs intersecting and where the lines are intersecting. See, one minute, I am drawing and I will show. See where this corner and intersection class. This is called angle bisector. Why angle bisector? If this was total 100, so 50-50 you can measure also. If we ask to draw, let's say, square, so in square angle will not be given. You have to draw here 90-degree, 90-degree, and the procedure is same. If we say draw rectangle, then obviously two angles will be given. Let's say one in rectangle also you know that every angle is 90, so you will draw 90-degree. Two sides will be given, different sides will be given. So here 4 given, so we have drawn 4. Here also 4. Let's say this is given 4 and this is given 3. So here I use 4, then you will use 3 and do the same procedure, 100% same procedure. Okay, assalamu alaikum.